so cold, but we just got to Wallace Falls. We are at the trailhead. There's hardly any cars out, or there is, but definitely not as busy as I thought, because when we were coming in, there was like 3 other cars in front of us, so we thought it was going to be packed, but it's not bad. So just really cold and windy, but I'm ready to go see some waterfalls. Okay, we are just now starting the trail. It's just Joel and I today. I think WTA app said that it's about 5.6 miles, but we know we can't always trust that, so it might be longer, but I'm looking forward to the hike. So I'll keep you guys updated, let you know how we're doing, and yeah. We just took a little water break. I think we have a little less than a mile to go till we get to the first waterfall. There's 3. I think I did mention that. But this place is really pretty. The trails are very well maintained. And yeah, I don't know if you guys can even hear me because I'm next to a river, but it's gorgeous here. I love all the moss on the trees. There's Joel. Yeah, a lot more people are coming through. It may not look like it because with editing and filming you can avoid that, but there are quite a bit of people here. So okay, walking up incline and gonna be out of breath, so I'll update you guys in a bit.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now.
Okay, we are in about almost 2 miles and we are here and just need to go there. We are just gonna go to the first falls because we're running out of time. But yeah, so flip you guys over. So first layer is off because it got pretty warm, but it actually feels pretty good. When we first got here, as you guys saw, it was so windy and so cold, but it's definitely heating up now. And yeah, how are you liking the trail so far, babe?
Good. Awesome.
Yeah, it's nice. It's like, it has ups and downs. It has like the flat surfaces and then also some incline, but not too bad. So all in all, pretty good so far. Another break. We found this little bench here, have our water. We are almost there. My shins are on fire. Right when we were coming up here, they were just like burning, but I'll flip you guys over. So we still have to go all the way up there and over there, and I think it's like somewhere over there, I think. I don't know, but here's a better look at the map. Is this zooming in? There we go. But yeah, we just
close.
need to be right there, and we're right there.
This is how far we've come.
Yeah.
We started all the way.
Okay, this is the last stretch, and we're almost there. And I'm out of breath.